All right, special thanks to our friends at FNTcase for sending us this iPhone case. So inside of this box is an iPhone case, set for the box. And so here we have, oh wow, whoa. So a little patch installing cleaning kit. A little bit of info about the camera slide cover to protect your camera lens and privacy. Built-in kickstand. Very, very cool. Some installation notes. And so this is the case. This is what the installation cleaning kit is for the included little screen protector. Nice bendable screen protector. Here is the case. So discover new worlds. This slides to protect your camera module. Very nice. Good grip here on the side. These little lines make where it fits nice in your hand. It's your volume rockers, your switch for your volume, power button, speaker cutouts, and USB-C port. And then included is this nice little pop-out kickstand. So you could set your phone up like this or like this, and then of course just push it out of the way when you no longer need it. So that is pretty darn cool. So that'll do it for this FNT iPhone case. Thanks again to them for sending me this case to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.